I'm taking it in a full-blown view. Right. Can you see these percentages now? I'm not sure if it is visible or not. Wait. Okay. So here you can see this is 0. 0. Can you see this 0.236? No need for me to zoom, na? When I'm zooming, something is going bad. Yeah. चिडतच म्हणजे माझं सांगते एक मिनिट परत. Today the technology is refusing to cooperate with me. Okay, so in fact I can say this is good for revision again. So what do I do? Tell me. Acha, it's already there. Very good. Okay, no problem. Okay, so here just for simplifying things, here you can see they have graded it color wise also. Can you see the color grading also? Yes. So from 0 to 23.6, this is the first level that we always talk about. Then next is what? 38.2, correct na? Next level is 38.2, and uske baad wala level is actually 61.8. These are the most important levels for us. If we draw it, that's what I was actually telling, and whenever everyone was like, what is happening? So when I draw from the lowest point to the highest point, it takes 0 at the top and 1 at the bottom. And if you drag it down from top to bottom, it will be reverse. So basically it will retrace to the 23% level. That is the logic. If it has gone up, it will go down by how much? It will go down till the 23% level. It will go down till the 38% level. It will go down till the 61% level. It will go down till the 23% level. Na? So that's what I'm telling you. It's exactly inverse if I'm drawing it from bottom to top. Okay. So it's basically checking out the retracement pattern. Yes, of course I'm going to do that. So now we'll talk about the full proper chart. Right. So let's see what has happened. See, we drew the chart from here, somewhere around here. Let's see that the stock was in uptrend. Let's first see whether it's following. Sorry. Correct. This was the lowest point. Maybe we had taken, or maybe we had taken some previous data also, March data or something like that. Anyways. So now let's check this. The stock is in an uptrend. It's going up. It went up, retraced to this level, went up, retraced to this level, went up. Which is this level near which it is showing a resistance? It's showing a resistance at which level? 61.8% level it is showing a resistance. Okay. Now it's going up. It broke the 68% level. Agreed. Came back. Now it has gone up to the 50% level. Now you might say, ma'am, we did not calculate 50. Okay. They do compute 50 with an average of these two. 38.2 plus 61.8 divided by 2. That's a midpoint. Correct, na? 38.2%. So 38.2 plus 61.8 divided by 2 is going to give you the 50% level. That's also a very important level, by the way. And even in the Fibonacci number sequence also, this is a percentage, the very first two, 0, 1, and then we take what? 1 and 2, na? So 1 by 2 is also 50. The very first two takes you to 50 again. Okay. So now the retracement was at which level? at 50. So 50 showed a resistance first. So again same, no? It's either going to show a resistance or a support. Okay, it came down from 50. Dekho, it came down near again what? Near 68% only, 61% only. Broke the 50 level, went up to 38. Now what has happened? Understand, the 38 level was broken with a big green candle. In simple words, any of the Fibonacci sequence numbers being broken by a big green or a big red shows a lot of strength. Now what happened? This 38 broken, and you can see tuck, 2, 3 big greens back to back. 1, 2, 3. It's going up. It's going higher. It's going higher. So now what is to be done? Understand, the moment a new high is found, I'll tell you now what is to be done. The moment a new high is found, we have to again redraw the numbers. Okay. Because we found a new high. If we find a new, what are we joining? Tell me. Lowest point with highest point, correct? Which was the highest point? We found a new high here. See, original new high was here, na? Correct? Now, which new high did we find? Let us say till here we are. Assume that we are on this date, 31st October. This is our new high that we have found. Correct? Now, we can stretch it till here to our current observations. Okay, new high, by the way, is the body of the candle, not the wick of the candle. Don't take high in absolute high wick. It will be the body of the candle as high. Okay. By the way, do you remember this? This red portion is which portion? Oh, no. This red, this pinkish color is which percentage? This retracement is 23% retracement. This one is 38%. This one is 50%. This one is 61.8. Okay. When it broke this also, good, but it retraced back to which level? It was in an uptrend, na? Are you with me or no? It was in an uptrend. It broke which level? First 38% level it broke. Now 23% level it has broken. Going up, retraced. Found support at 23%. Went up, found support at 23%. Big support at 23%. Broke the support. Found support at 38%. Went up. Broke which level? The 23% again was broken actually with a big green candle where we have entered actually. So we were not wrong at all. This is also showing the same thing. Okay. Went up, and right now it is at which support level? It is at the 23% support level. Okay. Yes. Now let us check whether this is a strong support or not. How many times it has tested this as a support or as a resistance? Can we count this? 1. Here it is 2. 3. We are counting major, 4. 4 in the recent past. It has not even seen that levels in the previous thing. 4 major instances in the recent past, and it has tested the 23.6%. Are you understanding this? Yes. Now you have to tell me worst case scenario, what can happen? It is at 23% right now. Correct? Now you have to tell me 1% if it breaks this 23%. What will be the next big support for the stock? 38% level means which level? This level, where yellow ends. And what is that? Price is around 1716. That is the next big support. So whenever you see on TV, you will see all these analysts saying that if the stock breaks this level, this is the first support, this is the second support, this is the third support. And we keep on wondering, how do they understand which support is what? These are the Fibonacci numbers. And has it actually honored so many number of times? It has. Have you understood this? Yes. So what is, are we at a very crucial level at DMart right now? Are we at a very crucial level at DMart right now? Yes. If this is broken, then if you don't have the holding capacity, please quit. Because the next big support is around directly 1700. Okay? If you don't have the holding capacity, that, and again, that's an individual call. I don't know your financial background. I'm no one to ask your financial background. So you have to check how much I can hold back. If I can't, that's a big next fall which can happen. Is this okay? Yes? Shall we draw Fibonacci for 2-3 more stocks so that you get a better idea? Yes? Any specific recommendations, or shall I show you mine? I guess Sudarshan was one stock which we had discussed, right? Sudarshan Chemicals? Yes? We'll check. Sudarshan Chemicals. Now you have to tell me how I draw the Fibonacci. Today also we'll do 1 or 2 people who can come here and draw the Fibonacci. It's very much there. I want to cancel it out first. Okay. What is the first thumb rule? How many months data? Roughly 9 months data. Okay. We have checked RSI for Sudarshan Chemicals. We have checked MACD for Sudarshan Chemicals. I guess we had also checked Bollinger Band. No, I don't. No, we have not. Okay. But before we check that out, first let's check Fibonacci. So that first we'll check the pitchfork. From pitchfork, we are going to check fib retracement. Who can tell me what is to be joined? Lowest point can be somewhere here. Okay, now here we can have a slight manual error. Huh? Okay, whether you draw it properly or not, but that small percentage here and there, anyways you can have a gap of 5-10 rupees here and there. Okay, so this is the lowest point which I can see till this is somewhere around the highest point. Correct? This was the highest point, body of the candle. Click. The second click confirms, okay, here I have to stop. And then if you want, you can extend it. Then it will not change while extending. Otherwise it will move here and there. The second click confirms, okay, stop. Don't move now. Okay? Okay. Yes. So Sudarshan Chemical. Let's see if it has followed these percentages or not. By the way, again, we drew till 23, 38, 61, and same pattern will happen for 78. Leaving one more and you understood, na? Divide by immediate next. एक छोड़ के, दो छोड़ के, तीन. That will be 78.6. Okay. See how beautiful it has actually honored the Fibonacci number sequence. Went up till here, corrected. Went up till here, corrected. So much of sideways trend. Okay. Broke this. Went to which level? 61% level. Okay. Within the 61% level, broke the level, cut 50 directly and stopped at 38 level. 50 did not stop, it directly cut till 38. It's between this range now. Now it has cut 38 with a big green candle. Big breakout. 38 level broken with a big breakout. Went up till here. So again understand, this can be a classic swing trade. Cut. 2-3 days you will get 5% return, get out. Okay. Retraced. To which level again? This is which level? Okay. Red ends at which level? Everyone. Which percentage level? 23%. Yellow ends at 38% level. And see how beautifully it honored 38. Okay. Broke up. It's right now at 23% level right now. And by the way, if you check this big green has broken the 23% level only, na? So ideally, can we expect it to go up till here? It can be a good breakout. Okay. Morning star. This one, okay. Looks like a morning star, agreed, but it's anyways roughly at a sideway trend. So exactly, that's what I'm saying. It's here at a sideway trend. It's a cup and handle formation here. Okay, we have not discussed the cup and handle formation as of now, but acha, as far as Fibonacci is concerned, have you understood this one? Yes. Shall we check Bollinger Band formation for this? Okay, one more. A freehand drawing. A freehand drawing. Can you see this horizontal line that I've drawn? Okay, I've started my analysis from here roughly. Okay, going up, resistance, broke the resistance with a big green with me, support, went up, came down, roughly around this area again, resistance, support, broke the support, down and down and down and down. For a long time has remained down. Let's understand long time means what? From roughly 28 September 2018, this is by the way, till first time it broke out 29th October 2019. More than a year. Okay. So it's not an exact cup and handle, but it's similar to this. So if you just check this out, follow my cursor, like a U, correct na? Like a U and a small handle, cup and a handle. Okay, it's a two-tower candle. It will not form like this, na? Not a circle. Okay, so a cup and a handle. Okay, let's check out what is the scenario for Bollinger Band also. Have we checked for MACD and this? We'll also check any update on this. Draw all together. $60 and $40. Okay. Let's check what has happened. We got an MACD crossover right here on 23rd December. 27th December, again a similar confirmation, but RSI was way below the mark. RSI also flips many times. RSI is a little bit naughty. It goes above 60, flips. So it's, if you remember, we said above 60 is very good, but it also has seen a lot of tendency to flip back. Just by again back testing, I'll tell you, if there are 2 or 3 flips, then 4th or 5th will definitely go up majority of the times. Okay, so first here you can see there are few flips here and there, so it has not gone up significantly. Okay, it has flipped up. So this is also almost first flip, almost second flip, and third flip of course has not yet happened. Here RSI yesterday for the first time has gone above 60 convincingly. Okay, on the previous day it was 60 point, no, not even that. This is the previous candle, 59.19. So yesterday it has gone above 60, first time. Number 2, MACD crossover we can see. Yes or no? Yes. Only problem is that volumes are still not that high. Remember what should have been our thumb rule? This should have been here maybe. This should have been taller to give a better confirmation. So volumes are still a little bit low on this. But if you remember something, after you have a look at the Bollinger Band. What is this? Squeeze. BB squeeze. Can you see this? Yes. And if you remember what was our thought process, how much time? At least 1 month squeeze for giving better results. Can I say roughly here the squeeze starts? See, it was in a balloon shape like this, and it has squeezed somewhere around here. Started the squeeze somewhere around here. What is this date? 29th of November 2019. And here, 31st December 19. Is the squeeze more than a month? Now let's check whether the squeeze is about to open. Okay. Right now it has not opened so convincingly, but it has started to open. Okay. So whenever you are confused about such stocks, you're not pretty sure, it's not a 100% buy signal as of now. 100%, ekdam convincingly nahi. But so many parameters are almost close to that. Again, what you can do? Start buying small quantities. If your target for this is, I'm going to accumulate 50 Sudarshan chemicals, let us say. Okay? Buy 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. At every level you can buy 10. Is this okay? That's how you can strategize. Okay? Did we also check out for Fibonacci? Right now it is at the 23%. So ideally it should retrace. So in fact, Sudarshan Chemical can be a good call for a swing trade right now. 2-3 days and out. Something like that. You can check out Sudarshan Chemical very closely for next 2-3 days.